Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this. This is an AI sports cameraman. So let's go ahead and check out what's inside of it. Let me open it up here. I'm just gonna put the box right there. We'll go through each thing and see what we got. Looks like a cleaning cloth. Probably a bag for it. Let's just open it up. So that's what, yes, this is going to be a bag. Little felt bag for it. We have going to be the remote to connect to it with a little tab to pull out for the battery, and the camera here. Wow, it's got some weight to it. Wow. So I think this is going to be smart enough to like move around and just get the video. So let's see what we got here. It comes with a screw-in mount there. Comes with the motor that'll move it around. Let's see what else we have on there. And kind of, I guess it's just got stuff here for, let's go ahead and see what we can do. So there it is on. Okay, so it looks like I can start the recording from just a little button on there, and then I can move the screen around if I want to. If I want to go this way here, I can just kind of have it follow me, or do that, and then I can go back the other way if I want to as well. If I'm doing the follow me mode, it'll follow it myself. If I was playing a sport or something, I could do that. Or I could just do it manually with this button here. Looks like I can even scroll up and down as well. That is pretty cool. So I can just kind of control stuff and move around and do it with the little remote as I go, or just totally do it with the other, different settings. And so if I was doing sports, I could totally set that as well. And that would give me the ability to just go anywhere with that. Wait, if I'm moving my hands around, it just doesn't know what to do. But really cool. And I would say you can do that, I think is what it does to lock it on. And then it would follow me around kind of automatically on some things. I think I might have it set to manual mode right now. Let me see. Oh, that's marking it. So the little button here marks the place on the video, so then you can come back to it later. But then the rest of it just kind of happens depending on what you're doing. I guess because I started using this remote here, I'm kind of stuck into using it, but it's really cool. Nice little setup here, and I've got it on the tripod that it came with. I'll show you that here in a second. I'm not sure what this is going to do. It's connected, but it is doing it there, but that's the tripod for it. But you'll see as I move it around with this, you'll see it moves all the way there. It moves like 180 degrees. So you can move it around. My camera would be up there normally, but I have it in my hand now, obviously. But you can see it's pretty cool, and it can go up and down as well. So really neat. And then this button here stops and starts the recording. I'm recording now, but I could push the button and it would stop it. And then I could mark a position with this one here. So really cool, nice little setup. And I'll be interested to see what this video does because it's not even on the thing right now. But it's really cool. I like it. Thumbs up.